And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this 4-in-1 combo, the T650, which gives you a wired keyboard, a wired mouse, a headset, and a mouse pad. So, love their logo. You can see the sticker there, and this is just a little bit of the specs. It's a wired keyboard with USB, 108 keys, works with all of the Windows operating systems from 95 all the way to 11. Your wired mouse with your DPI, your lighting effects. It's also USB 1.5 meter cable length. Your wired headset with all of its specs as well, and then your mouse pad. And so let's cut this little seal. And with that cut, we can open up our package here. So right on top is our wired mechanical keyboard. Love it. A little instruction set, a little mouse pad, which actually doesn't have their branding on it, just a plain black mouse pad. And then this one is the headset, and this one's the mouse.